I mainly use my GPG key for automatically signing git commits, and I've done videos about that in the past. And I have my agent set up here to cache my GPG passphrase for 1 week. That's the number of seconds that we see here. So basically 1 week, if I were to run a command like a git commit here, I don't have anything to commit, but yeah, it would prompt me for my passphrase if it's not already cached by the agent. And that's fine if I'm working interactively here on the terminal. But I have this one use case where I have a shell script that I use to help me update all these different Docker starter apps that I have for Flask, Rails, Django, Node, and Phoenix. And it happens to do git commits in that script, but it's running stuff in the background using, the ampersand at the end there. So like, long story short, if I get prompted for my passphrase when the script runs, that script really doesn't work. So I wanted a way to basically trigger my passphrase if needed. And that's what we're going to do here in this video. So thankfully, it's really easy. You can just echo basically nothing, an empty string or whatever string that you want, right into GPG, clear a sign like this. And if I do that, then it is going to prompt me for my passphrase. That's what we see here in this window that popped up. So now I would need to type this in to be able to actually use GPG. So let me do that. And there we go. Cool. So now this works. If I rerun this command again, it's not going to keep prompting me, right? Because it's in my cache for GPG there in the agent. So this is pretty nice. It's a seamless way to basically trigger or prime your cache if needed for the passphrase, else just use the command as is with no interactiveness. So, I run this command at the top of my script before I run anything in the background. So then it prompts me there for my phrase and I'm good to go. There's also another command we can run here if we just want to actually clear your cache. This could be useful if maybe you just want to get your passphrase out of your agent's cache. So then you have to get prompted again here. You can just run GPG connect agent here and yeah, reload agent by will do the trick. So now if you actually run this command again, it is going to prompt me again for the passphrase. I really don't use this a lot in my day-to-day, but this could be useful to run if you're just testing this behavior here of, just prompting yourself for your passphrase and then clearing out your cache. But hey, if you want to clear your cache for some reason, now you have another command you can run here to do that on demand. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Quick one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer all of them. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.